Today, we have got an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be exploring the powerful and creative world of layer effect in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, stick around because we've got some awesome tips and tricks for you. So what are the layer effects? Well, they are set of non-destructive transformations you can apply to layer in Photoshop to enhance and stylize your design. Think of them as a secret weapon for adding that extra flair to your artwork. Okay, let's kick things off by learning how to access layer effects. It's super easy. Simply select the layer you want to apply the effect, and look at the apex icon. You can see in there, and you want to effect and look. You can find in there in the bottom of the layer panel. So before you need to insert your text or insert your layer. So here I have the one layer. Now you can use another layer, like I can use the duplicate layer. So here we have the two layers. Now go to here, and here you have the just unlocked this one, and you can click over here to apply this one or the layer effect in there. Now that let's explore some essential layer effect that can take your design to the next level. Now here you can see there's the drop shadows. By clicking over here, and it comes with the drop shadows. Now you can change the opacities, and now you can make it here the noise on different one by clicking over here, and here you can now give it different one, or you can just change the distance in the spread sizes, or you can change here the different way. You can change here with this one, and it can give you here the different styles in there. Okay, so now, and you can see here the preview by clicking in there. So all right, now you can now go to again, and there you can choose also the inner shadows, or also the bevel emboss. So here I can work with the inner shadows, and you can see the changes of with the inner shadows in the effect. And you can easily give the opacities of this one. You can change here the colors. If you want to use the different colors, it can give you the different colors. So for this example, I'll use this one. Then I can change the angles, distance, chalks, and slides. Do whatever you prefer for your image. Okay, and you can also use this one as like from here, and it can give you this way, or you can change the angles, like if you want to use it, it can give you this way. So all right, so all and it's can be done. Let's put theory or as practical, and we can now, and you can do it like I can use also the another layer by right clicking, or you can just click over here and the new layer. Then let me choose the next text in there, and you can also use this text for using the layer effect. And you can do this one by selecting this layer and go to the here and the layer effect, and you can change here bevel and emboss. And let me just show up how now it comes with the different one, like with emboss. You can change the depth. You can change the size of the direction, this one, and it can give you the different styles or subs turn. It can be affected in here, and you can change here the tones, or you can change the techniques as different, and this will give you this way. Okay, so this is we work with our effect, and now that we have got the basic down, and there you have it, a crash course in mastering layer effect in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. Remember that the key to experiment is to let your creativity run wild. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.